911, where's your emergency?
Yes, ma'am. We're at Brook Circle in US 1. It was those two little kids, and as we were driving past the property, the little kids were standing out in the field. It appeared that he had a handgun, and he was pointing it at our car as we were driving by.
Put your hands up! Stop running right now! I'll send a dog to you! Put your hands up! Come out to me right now! Bullshit! Get out here now! 50 Central out with 2 with a gun. Don't lie to me. Let me see your hands. Stop right there.
It was a real gun. We were shooting it over here. Someone said we were allowed to.
How old are you?
We are both 12.
Keep your hands where I can see them. You drop them, bad things are going to happen. You understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
What the hell are you doing out here? Is this your property?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Where's the gun?
I'm not you.
I saw you with it in your hand. What do you mean?
Where it went, man.
Lying to me is not a good deal, dude.
Can you take me home?
No, I can't.
Nothing but respect to you.
Put your hands behind your back.
Am I under arrest?
I'm securing you for my safety and yours right now. Well, at least I got a tetanus shot recently, so it's got to be around in here somewhere. 3, 4. Maybe I should start yoga. Oh, yeah. He's got some in the chamber. One in the chamber. One in the, ready to go. Fabulous. All right. We'll back out and